Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Jack Steven. So now I'm going to show you about a mining app that allows you to mine in it. The mining is this one here, this one. So I'm going to open it now. I've turned my data on. Let me turn it on. So here it is. Let it load up. As you can see, it's loading. In this place now, you can mine Bitcoin. Then here is your hash rate that you can choose for investment. If you want to invest on this one, this is the total amount of it for 12 months. You will pay for this amount for it. Let's go back. Then here is my mined Bitcoin. If I want to withdraw it, I'll just click this withdraw Bitcoin, and I can see I'm in the withdrawing section. I don't want to withdraw it yet. Of course, if you subscribe to my channel, whenever I withdraw it, I will post the video. So let's go back, show you next thing more. You see this referral poster. This one here is your main referral. Then this one here is your referral that then refers someone. You will still be earning from those two people. If you refer this person now, then this person go and refer this one. You will still be earning money from two of them. I think it's quite amazing, right? So try and use my link below to register. Of course, you will get 1.5 hash rate for starting. Of course, the app is not free. You will buy the app in Play Store, just in a raw amount, about $2 or so. You just buy the app. As you can see, it's mining. The app is mining. This is called crowd mining. This app is not mining on my phone. It's just mining on the cloud. So you have nothing to worry about. I can even close it. It will still mining. So next time I will be showing you another type of it. So thank you. But don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Give me a like on the description and comment that where the mining is.